and accepting the decree of Allah is also part of sabr. Do you know why? Because Allah wants to beautify you by helping you surrender to something unique, which is, I've just been denied something my heart desired. I've just been denied something my heart desired. By who? By the Lord of the worlds. So what do? Surrender and say, oh Allah, if you denied it, Alhamdulillah. I crossed paths in order for me to be tested with denial. Give you another example. Someone comes and says, my istikhara was positive, but that person's istikhara was negative. How can it have been a clash? Maybe those angels were from America and these ones were from Australia. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. There's no clash there. Not at all. It's blocked. That's it. That's the response of your istikhara. And sometimes maybe one person might feel, okay, everything is okay on my side, and the other one says it's not okay on my side. Perhaps you might have again had to go through rejection. Another big issue. It was facilitated. Everything went smooth. MashaAllah, the wedding happened. Everything else happened. And MashaAllah, we're now sitting with a huge crisis because we're on the verge of divorce. Then you come to the sheikh or whoever else it may be and say, how come this marriage is going wrong, but the istikhara was so positive on both sides? Then you go back to the meaning of the same dua. Did you say, oh Allah, if the marriage is going to work, then let it be? You didn't say that. You said, oh Allah, if it is better for me, my deen, meaning my faith, my religion, my worldly life and my future, my akhirah, it will help me to end up in Jannah, in paradise, then facilitate it for me. So it was better for you to go through a divorce, perhaps. And let's not become ugly when we go through divorce. Because if you think the marriage was hard, being divorced is even more difficult. But sometimes it's the right thing to do. It doesn't make you a bad person. You have to pick up the pieces, as painful as it may be, and you have to keep going. That's life. That's the nature of this life. Keep going. You lost a job, keep applying. One brother told me, well, I've applied so much. I said, just keep applying. He says, but I've applied maybe 35 jobs. I said, just keep applying. 2 years later, he tells me, now, he says, brother, I got a dream job. How many applications? He said, I don't even know. I lost count. Well, there goes. When you give up, it is given up. For as long as you haven't given up, it keeps going until the day you go back to Allah.